Need your Red Pocket mobile account number? It's a crucial 10-digit identifier, usually starting with 909, separate from your phone or SIM number. You'll need it for recharges, service transfers, or troubleshooting. Never share it publicly. We'll show you the 3 official and secure ways to find it through the Red Pocket app, on your bill, and via your online account. These methods ensure you can easily manage your account while prioritizing security. Using the official methods is key. Never use a third-party app. Let's walk through each method. First, the Red Pocket app, available on iOS and Android. Log in, and your account number is prominently displayed in the Account or Profile section. App version 3.5 even includes tutorials for first-time users. Second, check your bill, physical or digital. The account number is usually at the top or in an account details box. Contact customer service 1-800-888-8888 for a new one if you can't find it. Finally, log into your account at redpocket.com. You'll find the number under My Account or billing information. As of recent updates, the portal even supports biometric login for added security.